I am Earth, a living, breathing entity with a love story to tell. Perhaps your first encounter with me was when you took wobbly steps as a toddler. Or do you remember digging in the sandbox? You were such a digger, making holes and tunnels, building castles, and sifting the sand through your fingers. I was there for you when you climbed trees, marveling in the feeling of being up so high. Haven't we seen a lot of beautiful sunsets together? What about rainbows? There was that time of running in the rain and getting all drenched till we laughed ourselves silly. That was the best. What about all those garden vegetables? You told me there was nothing to compare to fresh vegetables. Swiss chard, tomatoes, lettuce, broccoli, carrots, potatoes, peas, all filled with sunshine and vibrancy. Hey, I'm there every moon as you stare up at the stars or walk a light labyrinth, clutching your blessing to your heart and setting intentions for the month. I heard the hopes and dreams you whispered. I have been your voyeur, feeling you share your sexuality with another and supporting your embraces, kisses, and passionate thrusts. Remember all the dog walks? Your dog bounding along joyously, and you finally off your phone so that you could be fully present? Dear one, I've held you up when grief threatened to engulf you to oblivion. I take your tears. I take your cries. I put them in safe places where they are carried compassionately. I am the one that gave you strength for doing courageous things. Every time you were scared, lonely, afraid, anxious, depressed, I never left you. Now, I see how some of you are broken, no hope of being whole again. In your brokenness, you have become abusive. You relentlessly exploit all that has fed, nourished, filled you with life, and saved you. Your spirit is angry and bitter. You play a game of greed, self-righteousness, and a race of more. You crush and destroy all in your path. You think that because you have been hurt, it's okay to lash out. It's okay to be numb, calculating, and unfeeling. Your empty little heart continues to pollute the land, animals, forests, rivers, oceans, streams, deserts, and mountains. I tell you this. I feel betrayed and disappointed. But know this. I will still be here with a grave for you. I will still share my fire to send your bones to ashes. The web of life will continue without you.